Hello everyone. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are the two terms which have been raging for a while. So as a student, let's understand what exactly is artificial intelligence and machine learning and how can we actually build a career in something like this. So let's just bifurcate and dissect the term called artificial intelligence. So artificial is anything which is man-made, and intelligence is anything which can reason out, which can apply logic on its own. So anything which is man-made and which can reason out on its own is basically artificial intelligence, and machine learning is a subset under artificial intelligence. So machine learning can be defined as an algorithm which analyzes users' activity, compares that to other users, and then decides with respect to, okay, for this user we might recommend this particular show or maybe this particular product. So if you look at artificial intelligence as an umbrella term, then machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. So now let's understand where exactly do you apply something like artificial intelligence or machine learning. Now, whatever industry you can think of, right from hospitality to entertainment, to automotive industry, to healthcare, anywhere and everywhere artificial intelligence is used. Everything has been automated these days. A lot of careers are being replaced by robots. A lot of careers are being replaced, something which is very clerical in nature are being replaced by automatic tools. So we can look at examples like Alexa, Siri, or something like Tesla. So you would have seen the facial recognition which happened a few months ago, something like a chatbot. All of this is an extension or an application of artificial intelligence or machine learning. Let's now understand what are the skills required to enter a field like artificial intelligence or machine learning. First of all, a student needs to be excellent with mathematics, should have a very strong command over logic as a subject, should be well versed with coding, because these are basic pillars of artificial intelligence, machine learning, wherein your mathematics is checked, your understanding about logic is checked, your problem solving skills are very important, and your computer knowledge as well as the coding aspect is very important in this field. Now, looking at how do you get into a field like artificial intelligence, machine learning, ideally if you look at the traditional route, a lot of students from a BTech background enter this field. So if you've done, let's say, BTech in computer science or BTech in IT, you can enter this field, or you have specialized courses in India as well as outside India, which is a BSc in artificial intelligence, BSc in machine learning, or a BBA in machine learning. You can even look at that. So these are the traditional classroom courses. A lot of online websites like Coursera, edX, Udemy, Alison, they have a basic understanding of certificate courses of artificial intelligence and machine learning. So anybody who is not from this field but wants to enter this field can also look at pursuing this online certification. And this is more of a skill-based kind of a career, wherein instead of looking at a degree, we are looking more at the understanding of these terms and how can we apply all of this knowledge. So all those students who are looking at a career in artificial intelligence or machine learning, work more on your skills, your understanding of logic, maths, computer science, and coding. You'll be able to excel in this field. If you have any questions related to any other domain or this particular career, you can reach out to the Mindler experts. We'll be happy to help you. If you found this video to be useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.